The good design and proper distribution of 3THERMO concealed radiators is a guarantee of satisfaction for the future operation of the system. The system is distinguished by the lightness of its elements, easy installation and high effectiveness. The positioning of the radiators in the wall should ensure that the water collector is situated in the designed styrofoam layer. Installing the radiator is so simple, it only takes 1 minute. Let's have a look. Elements that appear after completing the project are not a problem during the installation of the radiators. The very thin and light structure of the radiator makes the application of plaster very easy and does not increase its thickness above the usually designed value.
A number of 3THERMO heaters are connected in series in heating circuits. Thus prepared installation using PEX pipes is hidden in the floor layer.
A properly installed system is completely concealed. Only the display screen reminds us it is there.